Two, option A.
Option E, 2. Any other guesses, guys?
4, ma'am.
4,
One.
okay.
4, ma'am.
4, 1, okay.
3, ma'am.
3,
And 2, ma'am.
2, okay. Fine. Let's see it. Few of them are giving me the different answers, so it's okay, no, fine. Let's see it. So here you can see that integer a and b value. As you can see that a is 10 and b they have given it as a 6. Correct? So for the first time when we are calling the function, we are passing 10 comma 6. While of b. So b value is what? 6. So while of 6 means I can say that the condition is going to be considered as what? True. So here you can see that all these things enters inside the while loop. Why? Because after this b equals to 10, we have written the keyword called as a end while, right? So when I go back to this while loop, so here, before going to the while loop, here we have written the statement like a modulus b. So 10 modulus 6, what will be the mod means output will be in the sort of reminder. 10 modulus 6 means what will be the reminder?
4.
4. So temp value is what? 4. Now whatever the b value, what is your b value? 6. I am storing to a and my temp value I am storing to b. Is the while loop ended? Yes.
No.
But I cannot return my a value. Why? Because the function is not yet completed. Even though I return this a value to this particular function. Sorry. So sorry for that. Yeah, after the end of this while loop, we are returning what? A value immediately. So what is your a value which we are returning over here for this particular function?
6.
6. But even though we return back to this function over here, is the loop is terminated, guys, over here, while of b, whichever we are checking it? No, right?
No.
The loop is not terminated. So again, I need to go back to the loop. Na? So what is your b value now? 4. Now here you'll be checking. A value is what now? What is my updated a value?
6.
6. What is my updated b value?
4.
4. 6 modulus 4. 6 modulus 4 means what is the remainder?
2.
2. So temp value is what? 2.
2.
Now, what is my b value? 4 has been given
4.
to A. And what is the temp value? 2 has been given to B. Now, again, I'll go back to the loop. Why? Because loop is not yet terminated. So now, while of what is my b value over here? My b value over here is nothing but 2.
2.
Yes, 2. Now, a value is what? 4. B value is 2. 4 modulus 2 remainder is what? 0.
0.
Now, here b value, which is nothing but what is my b value? 2 has been given to A and temp value has been given to B. When I go back to the loop, while of 0 means what? False. Once I come out of the while loop, we are returning A. What is my A value here? 2. Now we'll be
2.
returning 2 back to this function. So, the answer for this one is nothing but option A, 2. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Now let's go for the next one. Yeah, please do answer this one.
Seven.
7 is the answer. Okay, I have received only one answer. What about others?
7, ma'am.
7.
7.
7. 9.
7, ma'am.
7. Okay, fine. So here, as you can see this, you can see that this is the start. Okay, fine. Let me just take that. This is the start of this for loop. This is the end of this. This is the start of this for loop and end of this. Okay. So K value is what over here? 6. So I value, we are starting with 1 lesser than or equals 1. Okay. So loop is running only one time. Next. J value starts from the value of I. What is I value? 1.
1.
Lesser than or equals to 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So K plus 1, which is nothing but what? 7. When I go back to this jth loop, 2 lesser than or equals to 1 terminates.
False.
Yeah. So when I go back to this, 2 lesser than or equals 1 terminates. So I'm printing only the one answer, which is over here is nothing but 7.
7.
Next, let's go back for the next question. Yeah. This symbol is called as your, this, what do you call this symbol as over here,
XOR.
guys? XOR, yeah. Some questions will be getting confused like this is an XOR. Just please listen to me. In the question, they have given what will be the output of the following pseudocode, right? Someone will be considering this as, some people will be considering this as a power symbol also. If it is the power symbol, they'll clearly make a note like the symbol is called as a power, something like that. So as here, they haven't given me any such a condition, we'll be considering this as XOR only. Yeah, please answer this.
0.
0. Why? Because XOR means what? Different inputs, the output should be true. Same inputs, output should be what? False.
1.
A XOR B. So A value is 2. 0, 0, 1, 0 is the binary value. B value is also 0, 0, 1, 0. 0 XOR 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So the entire value is
0.
0. Yes. Like, I hope this is clear for everyone. Okay. Let's go for the next one. 0 is the answer. Yeah. Please do answer this one, guys. Please do answer this and let me know. Yeah, just take a 2 minutes of your time and let me know the answer.
31, ma'am.
31. Okay. What about others? First of all, let me go through the options. Na? Show you the options. Now do you tell me. Now do you have an option 31?
Ma'am, code.
Yeah, I'll show the code. Options, you just see it. 46, 43, 23, 45. So the answers will be somewhere related to the 40s and 20, not 31. So please do kindly check it once.
9 plus
45, ma'am.
Okay, Leela has given me the answer. What about others, guys?
Oh. 45, ma'am.
45. Okay. Fine.
45.
45. Akhil has given me the response as well. Fine, let's go through this. So whenever they have given an element inside an array, it starts with what? Index 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? Here we have initialized the m value to 1. 0 till 3 means 0 lesser than 3. 2, 3 means lesser than or equals to 3. So m equals to m plus. So first when the value is 0, we are updating the m value as like what? 0 plus j value is what? 0. What is it inside a of 0? 1. Again a of 0 value 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. Now m value is 8. Again, when I go back to this loop, this j value gets increments to what over here? 1. 1 lesser than 3? Yes. Okay. So what is the value? M. Value is what? 8 plus a of 1 is what? 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. So another value over here which we are considering it as what? 18. Next value we are considering it as what? 2. So sorry guys, less than or equals to. So 2 lesser than or equals to 3. Yes. So like 18. 3 plus 3 is going to be, we'll be considering it as what? 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So what is the option of like, we can say like 12 plus 18. 12 plus 18 is 30. Correct? Next, 3 lesser than or equals to 3. Yes, 30 plus. Now, a of 3 plus a of 3. 4 plus 4 is what we can say that 8. 8 plus 6, 14. Sorry.
Madam, small doubt.
Yeah.
Madam, initially m is equal to 1, madam.
1 కదా మ్యామ్. అప్పుడు 1 ప్లస్
Oh,
ఏ
sorry.
ఆఫ్ జే అంటే 1 కదా మ్యామ్. అక్కడ
Yeah.
9
So
వస్తుంది
sorry, I
మ్యామ్.
was considering 0, right? So sorry for that. Yeah. So 0 lesser than or equals to 3. So sorry. So m value is what? 1 plus a of j plus a of j plus 1. 6. Yeah. So a of j value is what? 0. So j value is 0. A of 0 is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Yeah. Yeah. 1 lesser than or equals to 3. Yes. So a of j plus j. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 1, 9, 19. 2 lesser than or equals to 3? Yes. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus, yeah. So 12 plus 19 we do have over here. So 12 plus 19 is 31. Next. 3 lesser than or equals to 3? Yes. A of j plus a of j. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus what we can say 31. 31 will be considering it as a 45. 4 lesser than or equals to 3? No. The loop gets terminated. So outside of the loop, we are printing a m value, which is nothing but 45. Yes. Is it clear, guys? Yes. Okay. Let's go for the next one. So the answer is 45. Next. Okay. Answer this part now. What will be the output of the following pseudocode? Percentage is 75 and max is 25.
Grade A, madam.
Grade A. Yes. Grade A. Why? Because here percentage, they have considered it as what? 75. But max is what? Max over here is 25. So can I say 25 is greater than 30? No. But here I'm having or. Or means any one of the condition can be true now. So even though this statement, we are considering it as a false, percentage 75 is greater than or equal to 60, we can consider it as what? True. And 75 is lesser than 90? True. Yes. True and true means true. So the answer is grade A. Grade A. Okay. Let's go for the next one. Yeah. Please do answer this. I hope you know that this is going to be considered your as a right shift operation. And this is going to be considered as your left shift operation. For right shift, I have told you the division method now. And for left shift, you can go multiplication. Fine. No worries. I'll just first of all explain you the shortcut methods of the left shift and right shift, guys. Then we can just you can solve with the help of the shortcut. Let's say here they have given me not this example. I'm just explaining you the normal example. A right shifted by B. Okay, now let's take A value as 12, right shifted by 1. So 12 right shifted by, sorry, ma, what happened? Can you just please mute yourself? Satya Narayana, can you please mute yourself? Yeah, so here you can see the 12 right shifted by 1 over here. So for 12 right shifted by 1, the shortcut method I can go is nothing but 12 divided by 2 power 1. Why 2? Because the base value of the binary value over here is nothing but 2. 2 power 1 is what? 2. 12 divided by 2, 6. That is what the shortcut method of your right shift. The same thing if I see for the left shift operation, A left shifted by B. So 12 left shifted by 1 means I can do 12 multiplication of 2 power 1. So 2 power 1 is what? 2. 12 to 24. So for left shift, you can use multiplication 2 power 1. For right shift, I can use divided by 2 power 1 based on the number of bits which they have mentioned. So if you want, you can use the shortcut method and give an answer, or else directly also you can solve for this question.
3, madam. Answer.
3 is answer. Okay, what about others?
6, ma'am.
6. Okay. Okay, fine. Let me explain it to you. Here, as you can see this, A right shifted by C minus 1. What is your A value? 4. Right shifted by C. C value is what? 1. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. 4 right shifted by 0 means you'll be having the same value, right? Will it right shift anything? No. So this value is what? 4. And B left shifted by C plus 1. So B value is what over here? B value over here is 3. Left shifted by 2 bits. So binary, like I can do 3 into 2. How many bits they are giving over here? C plus 1. C value is what? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 3 into 2 power what we can say that 2. So why? Because if it is 1 bit, 3 left shifted by 1 piece, 2 power 1 I'll write. So here 3 left shifted by C plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 power 2 I'm writing. 2 square is what? 4. 3 fours are 12. So 4 and 12, we are considering the condition as what? True. True means, oh, so sorry. Here it is a logical and means no need of converting into the binary conversion. Logical and means if both the conditions I'm considering is as it as a true, output will be true over here. So if the condition is true, I'm performing A equals to A plus C. So what is your A value? 4 plus C is 5. 4 plus 1, 5. So if condition is ended, so A minus B plus C. So A value is what? 5 minus 3 plus 1. 5 minus 3 is nothing but 2. 2 plus 1 will be considering it as a 3. So the answer is 3 over here. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
so the
ma'am.
answer is option 3. Let's go for the next one.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Please do answer this one as well, ma'am.
Seven, ma'am.
7 is the
ma'am.
answer. Oh, yeah. Because it's just basically normal arithmetic operators over here, right? A value is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So updated A is 6. 6 twos are 12. Updated A is 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. Now P value. 6 divided by 5 plus 6. So here, when I have a multiple operators, I need to go for Bodmer's formula. Brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Here I have division and addition. So first priority will be given to division. 6 divided by 5, 1 plus 6, which is nothing but I can say 7 is the answer. Yeah, 7 is the answer. Let's go for the next one. Okay. Please do try to solve it and let me know the answer for this one now. Yeah, I'm giving her 2 to 3 minutes of her time. Please do solve it and let me know the answer. Receive the response over here. For Monica has given me the response as a 4. What about others, guys? Monica, you can unmute and respond as well. No problem with that. How come the answer is 4, Monica, over here? Fine. Let me explain this part for you over here, guys. Those who are solving, you can. So A value starts with what? 1 lesser than or equals to 2. Here B value starts with A to 2. What is your A value here? 1 lesser than or equals to 2. Here C value starts from B to 2. What is here B value? 1 lesser than or equals to 2? Yes. So I will be printing a 6. Next, 2 lesser than or equals to 2? Yes. I'll be printing another 6. Next, 3 lesser than or equals to 2? Terminates. So, as this is getting terminate, I'll go back to my this beat loop. Why? Because this is the nested loop now. So, until unless your above loop or outer loop is running, I'll be running the remaining loops. Now, 2 is lesser than or equals to 2? Yes. So, I'll come back to the Cth loop. Now C value starts from B to 2. Excuse me. Okay. So B value starts with what? 2. 2 lesser than or equals to 2? Yes. So you are printing in 6 value again over here. Next. Again, 3 lesser than or equals to terminates. 3 lesser than or equals to 2 terminates. So what you'll be doing? You'll go back from the 8th loop. A value is what? 2. Lesser than or equals to 2? Yes. So B value starts from A to 2. What is your A value? 2. Lesser than or equals to 2? Yes. 2 lesser than or equals to 2? Yes. Again, one more 6 value. Now, when this gets increments to 3 less than or equals to 2 terminates. 3 lesser than or equals to 2 terminates. 3 lesser than or equals to 2 terminates. Okay, Monica, I guess you said how many times the 6 get printed now. Here the question is what will be the output of the following pseudocode? So here I'll be printing a D value of the 6. How many times, guys, over here? 4 times. Okay, let me see the options which I have got over here. Yes, D6 is printed 4 times over here. Is this one is also clear, guys, for you? Shall I go for the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Here you go. Yeah, you people try this question and let me know. Just try to go through this question and let me know, guys. 2. I have received a one response over here. 4, 11. Acha, 11. Monica has given the answer as 11. Okay, what about others?
11, ma'am.
11 is the answer. Okay, okay, fine, guys. So let's go for this. A is 1, B is 10, C is 1. A bitwise and of B. A bitwise and of B means I need to convert the binary value. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Nothing is becoming to it's what? 0. 0 or of 0 means what? 0. Logical or means I can check this statement. A logical and of C. A logical and of C means one logical and of 1, 1. One logical and of 0, 0. None of the statement is true. So this statement I am considering it as what? False. So A left shifted by 1. What is your A value? 1. Left shift means I need to do division. 2 power 1 is what? 2. 1 divided by 2. What? I'll be getting this particular 1 divided by 2 over here, guys. I'll be getting this 1 divided by 2 over here as a 0. So, here A value is going to be considered as what? 0 plus B minus of what we can say over here. Yeah, guys, I've received someone's response over here.
Ma'am, left shift considered as a multiplication ma'am.
లాజికల్ ఆర్ అంటే ఏదైనా
Yeah, sorry. Your responses are like, you're not audible, ma. Hello? Yes. Yes, guys, some of you are responding over here.
Ma'am, left shift is considered as a multiplication.
Yes, ma. Sorry.
Here a left shift of 1, which will be 1 into 2, right, ma'am?
Yeah, sorry, left shift operator, right? So sorry. Yeah, so I was just doing the right shift now. So A is equal to left shifted by 2. So 1 into 2 power 1 will be considering it as what? 2. So A plus B minus C. So 2 plus, sorry, A plus B minus C. So 2 plus B value is what? 10. 10 minus of 1. So 2 plus 9 will be resulting the output over here as nothing but what we can say that 11. So the answer is, let's go for the option B, 11. Yes. Let's go for the next one. Yeah. What will be the answer for this one, ma'am? Please go through this. Like here they have given B is 8, A is 2, A XOR B, and if the condition is true, B will be 0. So let me know what will be the answer.
0,
0. Yes. Okay, fine. Let's go for this. Here, A XOR B. So A XOR B means A value is what? 2. So 0, 0, 1, 0. And yeah, 0, 0, what we can say that 1, 0. And B value is nothing but 1, 0, 0. So I can write 0, 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 0. What is this C value? 10. So 1, 0, 1, 0. XOR of B. XOR of B is what? 8. So 0, 1, 0 is 1, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 1, 0 means 2. Apart from 0, any value I can consider the statement as what, ma? True. So what is your B value represent as? 0. So I can print my B value over here as nothing but a 0 over here. Is it clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So let's go for the next one. So the option is 0. Okay. What will be the output of the following pseudocode, it seems? Yeah. Please do go through the pseudocode and let me know the answer.
Three engineering.
Like 3 engineering. What about others? Okay, fine. Let's go for this. A value is what? 10. Can I say that 10 not equals to A divided by 2? 10 divided by 2 is what? 5. Yes. So what I'll be printing? Engineering. I'm printing engineering over here. Next. Everything is inside the while loop only. A equals to A minus 1. So A minus 1 value is what over here? 10 minus 1, 9. Can I say 9 equals to 3? Because everything is inside the while loop, na? Because this is what the end of a while loop. No. So if this condition is not out of this, jump out of the loop. Jump out of the loop means what I can say that over here, guys? Like coming outside of the loop. Like what we can say that break. Yes. So break means jump out of the loop means basically break. I'm coming outside of the while loop. Now outside of while loop means what is your A value here? 9. Can I say 9 equals to 2? No. Else statement. I am printing what over here? Engineering. So how many times engineering is printed? 2 times. So now let me see here. Yes, the answer is what you can say. It will print engineering. How many times, guys? 2 times over here. So any doubts, ma, for this one?
Ma'am, explain please once again.
Okay, no worries, Kana. I'll just explain you once again over here. Let me just clear all the drawings. See, here, what is your A value? 10. Oh, so sorry. What is your A value over here? 10. So can I say that 10 is not equals to A divided by 2? 10 divided by 2 is what? 5. So while loop condition is what? True. And this is where your while loop gets end. Yeah. So immediately inside the while loop, we are printing up engineering. So how many time engineering is printed? 1 time. Now here immediately you are decrementing A. A equals to A minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is what? 9. Can I say 9 is equals to 3? False. So end of if condition. Now jump out of the loop means coming outside of the loop. Break. So jump out of the loop is nothing but break that is meant by. So break means I'll be coming outside of the while loop here. Now outside of while loop immediately I have one more if condition where A equals to 2. Can I say 9 is equals to 2? False. So you are coming to else statement. Here you are printing again one more engineering. So here you can see that this has been printed in engineering again. End of if. So this is what my end of a program. Now if you can see that here, how many times we are printing engineering? 2 times. Is it clear, Mana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Fine, guys. I guess it's almost time to end our session now. Again, the same session will continue by 2:30 onwards. So we'll join by 2:30. So we'll just wind up the session now. Thank you so much for joining the session, guys. So we'll continue by 2:30. You can leave the session now.
Okay, madam.
Thank you,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, guys.